With regards to the documents being required to LRA, ma'am, I have talked before the hearing started. I talked to AMLA, and he told me that some documents that you have submitted in the previous hearing pa po, well, in fact, during the Mexico Pampanga hearing, at it was submitted to the committee, to the Quad committee, you submit a different documents, not all those documents. List of properties being acquired by foreign national and companies.
Yes, Your Honor, may I clarify that matter? Because these data are being extracted only, a difference in spelling will produce a different result. However,
So, ma'am, to cut you short. So, in short, you submitted to us previously documents that is not verified. Are you saying that?
no, Your Honor, we verified it. I'll take, for example, the case of AD Tayang. The spelling of the AD in the documents that we submitted in the previously is AEDY. But now, the spelling that was given to LRA Central Office is AEDI. So it produced no results. That's why there's a difference. That's why we're consolidating it now, Your Honor.
But ma'am, again, let me warn you. In the case of Eddie Tayang, malinaw po, di ba? Yung isang property, that's why during the Mexico Pampanga, in my committee hearing, I told you, and I warned you, na wala munang galawan dun sa mga properties. And well, in fact, one of the property of Eddie Tayang was sold to a certain Rodingo. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ngayon you're telling us na bago yung mga list, tapos ano nakalagay doon sa notes nyo? Na yung previous not on record?
No, it's on record, Your Honor. The list that we submitted before has the title numbers, yes, in the name of AD Tayang.
No, I'm not just, Eddie Tayang is just an example.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, ang tanong ko ngayon, are those documents being submitted previously is the same documents that you have submitted in today's hearing?
They are not the same, Your Honor, in the sense that if there is a difference in spelling, there's a difference in the result. So we're now consolidating, we're checking the spelling of all the names submitted last week and the names that we submitted previously so that we can consolidate all our reports.
Ma'am, ano lang ako, medyo, kasi until now, AMLA, the case that was filed doon sa mga forfeiture of properties, isa pa lang po, okay, that's not your fault. It's the fault of AMLA. But, ang sinasabi ko lang po, pag may nangyari, doon sa mga dokumento, babalikan ko yan sa staff ko, may mangyari doon sa dokumento that you have submitted and transaction being made in the period in which you submit the document, may problema po kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
I will personally recommend to file a case against you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Para malinaw lang po. Because I have already warned you. Sa public accounts pa lang. Kasi po, inaayos ka natin itong proseso natin dito sa inyo.
Yes, Your Honor. With due respect, I was the one who called the attention of our legal department that there is a discrepancy in the report that was submitted this morning.
Okay, but ang sinasabi ko lang po, that's why, ano na po, ingat-ingat po tayo. Kasi, I've told you before,
Yes, Your Honor.
nalusutan tayo dun sa isang property, prime property pa. Tsaka talagang malinaw na kay Eddie Yang yun, bininta kay Rodingo. Diba?
Yes, Your Honor. For the record, Your Honor, we already complied with 2 orders of injunction from the CA, and the other one is from the SEC regarding the nullification of the Certificate of Registration of Empire Estate 999.
Okay, thank you. Anyway, dyan na po muna ako, no? And before I yield my to SDS Dong. Chairman, can we direct the COMSEC, Mr. Chairman, that baka pwedeng mag-overtime kayo during the break. Pag-reconcile lahat ng mga dokumentong pinadala sa atin ng LRA before submitting it to AMLA for any legal purposes. Thank you, Chairman.
Comsec, please comply. Yes, SDS Gonzales.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chairman. RD Lorna, kasi, alam mo, tiga Pampanga tayo, tiga San Fernando ako, tiga Mexico ako. Kung po pwede, yung from Pandara, San Fernando, covered court na ginawa ko ron, kung pupunta ka sa Mabalacat, tingin ka sa kanan, di ba? May makikita ka doon, covered court pinagawa ko. Lahat ng lupa na yon, almost 500 hectares yung lupang yon. Dire-diretso mo yon, kakanan ka, San Felipe na yon, San Fernando. Pag diretso ka ng San Felipe, San Jose Matulid, San Antonio, San Lorenzo, hanggang doon sa Quezon Road. Ang lupa doon is, lagay ko, more or less 600 hectares. Kaya more or less, San Fernando plus Mexico equals to 1.1 million hectares. So kung po pwede, i-consolidate mo lahat. Gawa natin na, i-plot natin na maayos. And then we will compare the names of the owner. Yung Yatay Holdings po yan. Tapos may Empire dyan, yung pinag-uusapan natin. So yun lang ang request ko. If you can coordinate to the assessor of the City of San Fernando and the city and Municipality of Mexico, and then the RD, the LRA, we can consolidate all of that.
Yes, Your Honor, we will coordinate with the assessor of the City of San Fernando. And for the records, Your Honor, as regards the Mexico properties, we had submitted the documents regarding the Yatay Holdings and the Board of Directors. And the total area of this property is 499
Hectares.
hectares, Your Honor.
499 hectares. So hindi ako malapit dun sa sinabi ko. Except for the area of San Fernando.
Yes, Your Honor. And we have the Register of Deeds of the City of San Fernando here so that we can also work with him regarding
Yes.
the plotting of all these land holdings.
Okay. Sige, pakiayos lang po natin and then we will attach the original owner of that.
Yes, however, Your Honor, our records will only yield data regarding titled properties. The unregistered titles, unregistered lands, the records of which may be taken from the City Assessor of San Fernando and the Assessor of Mexico.
Yes, we can plot that if we have the title. However, kung yung pangalan medyo mali yung spelling, we can plot the consolidation
Yes,
of the
Your Honor.
of the
We will
property.
submit the record.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, RD Lorna.
Thank you, SDS Gonzales. Now we will proceed with the interpellation